Nurse Benson, I'm excited about the new patient token system we're implementing. This will help us manage patient flow more efficiently and reduce wait times.
That's great news, Dr. Mihira. How will this system work?
Patients will receive a token upon arrival, and they'll be called in order of their token number. This will help us prioritize urgent cases and minimize waiting times.
Will this system help us reduce overcrowding in the waiting area?
Absolutely. By managing patient flow more effectively, we can avoid long queues and create a more comfortable waiting environment for our patients.
How will this system impact our appointment scheduling?
We'll need to adjust our appointment scheduling to align with the new token system. We may need to allocate specific time slots for urgent cases to ensure timely care.
Dr. Mihira, will this system be easy to use for both patients and staff?
Yes, the system is user-friendly and easy to understand. We'll provide training to our staff and patients to ensure a smooth transition.
Mihira, thank you for taking the time to discuss your concerns. I understand that the topic of hearing loss can feel overwhelming, but please know that this is a very common issue, and there are many effective ways we can help you manage it and significantly improve your quality of life. The most important first step is to get a clear picture of what is happening. I strongly recommend scheduling an appointment with your primary care doctor, who can then refer you to an audiologist or an ear, nose, and throat ENT specialist. This visit is crucial for a few reasons. First, to perform a full professional hearing test to accurately measure the extent and type of your hearing loss, and second, to rule out any underlying medical causes for your symptoms, such as an infection, wax buildup, or certain medication side effects, which might be easily treated. In the meantime, and as part of your long-term management plan, there are several practical suggestions that can make a big difference in how you interact with the world and keep your ears healthy. For immediate support, exploring hearing aids is often the most impactful step. Modern hearing aids are discreet, highly customizable, and designed to amplify sounds to your specific needs, helping you hear conversations and daily sounds more clearly and reducing the fatigue that comes from constantly straining to listen. Beyond technology, one of the simplest yet most effective measures is to protect your existing hearing by being mindful of your environment. This means avoiding loud noise exposure whenever possible, and if you must be in a noisy setting, like a concert, using power tools, or even a very loud restaurant, you should always wear ear protection like earplugs or earmuffs. Lastly, regular ear checkups with a professional are necessary, not just for monitoring your hearing loss progression, but also for routine things like safe earwax removal, which can sometimes interfere with hearing. Taking these steps allows you to proactively manage your condition and remain fully engaged with your friends, family, and daily activities.